How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1956 Bel Air two-door post done in its factory turquoise and white. Just a really nice driver. I got this car out of Tennessee. See, the grill is all the original grill in really good condition. Parking light housings are in good condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. It's got new hood jet, and the new hood V. Car looks real good down the sides. All the Bel Air side trims in really good condition. Got a nice set of billet specialty wheels, 18s and 20s. Car's got mostly original glass. It's all real good condition. Does show a little age. Original taillight housings. They do show some age. Got a new V and emblem on the deck lid. Rear bumper was been re-chromed. This car was done several years ago. Been enjoyed. Still looks really good. Real solid car underneath and everything. Got the dual mirrors. I really like these cars in this color combination. Got a nice little 350 in it, 4-barrel. It's got power steering. It's got power disc brakes. It's got vintage AC and heat. Nice heavy-duty radiator. It's a 350 turbo trans, S10 rear end. A lot of nice little upgrades. Jams all look good. Interior's all older interior, but in really good condition. It's a little split there in the armrest. Dash looks real good. It's got AM, FM, CD stereo, front and rear speakers. Headliner's real nice. Door panels all look good. All the seat covers are nice. Got the Daytona carpet. It's got the retro, smaller, factory appearing steering wheel. Inside the trunk looks good. It's got an amp with the stereo, the jack, and the spares all there. Pretty much all original panel car. The trio of gauges and the AC controls and heat controls. I like the two-tone interior in these. Just really good looking car. Had to bear with us, it's only about 19 degrees out today. Fire the thing up. Electric choke. Choke's on, so it's idling a little high. It's a good looking car. Car cruises and drives on the road real nice. Got duals all the way out the back. title down yet. Still unchoked. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. We won't be taking it out on the roads. A lot of salt on the roads today and slop, so have a great day, folks.